Yo, what's up, family? Yeah, I spirit. As you can see, I did on my way to church. So let me give you today. Let's talk about music production. You get me? And we use bandlap because my phone I teach how to record song for phone. For people that don't have laptop and the rest, you can use your phone. Just bandlap. I want to teach you how to do quality production on bandlap. Get me? But first, if you want to record, this is just I'm teaching how to do rap song. E but na a rap song wey teach how to rap, but no be everything I teach na about afrobeat and stuff. Let me just teach you how to mix rap song and like mix it perfectly and do everything perfectly. You get me? But first, if you want to record song, you need a quiet place. Do it at night. If I advise you do am night to make am more perfect, because night is like when everybody don sleep, just sing your song, your mind go don dey calm, lyrics go don dey flow in. If you no get inspiration, go buy drink. You get me? Night and find something wey your hand no dey shake. If your hand dey shake, buy one thing. I fit show the video for you. I fit no show one thing to dey make your hand no dey shake wey you take dey with your phone. Thing no cost. Yeah, let me show you how I mix this my rap song. Let me show you. I have no time. I need to go church like this now. After my bad lab, let me show you one my rap song I record recently. Let me show you my techniques that you can learn from it. Then you can learn a lot from it. You can learn the hard way you do. This is the song I want to show you guys. It's like rap song, perfect, mixed perfectly. I'll show you the skills I mix so you can write down in case you want to sing in the night. You can thief from it and use for your own personal song. Get me? Okay, so listen to the song.
If I started from the top, what else to go? I've been thinking in my life, what else to know? Clock is ticking in my head, where else to go? Driving insane, what else to know? Kidding unexpectedly, where they didn't want me. I'm gonna be what I'm gonna be, it's destiny. I'm just trying to manifest, oh. Jamie or you rest, oh. Give me one time, my nigga, you are blessed, oh.
You see the song? This song, the beats I make it. Look at the effect I use. Soft voice effect. I show you this soft voice effect is perfect. Look at it. Soft voice effect. I always use it. You can search it in your bad life. If you don't show, you can search it. It's on everybody phone. Only use soft voice effect. I had no auto pitch. You can see I had no auto pitch. Use soft voice. Your voice will be more clearer. I mean, like more perfect, more better. Like once you want to learn to make song, I will teach you like use soft voice because it's perfect. You get me? And you see that beat? I am the one that make the beat. I teach you now beat. My last video I did talk about beat production. If you want my last video to learn to make beats, I teach you guys to make beats most every time, so that you can make your own personal beat and sing your personal song and still distribute it, so you make money from your music. And I teach you now how to distribute your song through RPM in a free way. You do it for free. You can share anytime I put find it. You can do it for free and make money. Like you make your own beats, sing your own song, and still distribute your own music for free and get money from it. I teach you all that in my video. So watch my past video if you don't watch it. Like and subscribe, pay attention. I have to go church. So, you know, they told me, my son no concern me. Plenty people no concern me.